Hello, I'm Harriet Rowlands. I'm from Anglesey and my course is Level 3 Sports DCNF in Coleg Menai.
I'm Kristina. I'm from Bethesda and I'm doing Level 3 Biomedical Applied Science in Coleg Menai Bangor. So I became an ambassador because I saw the opportunity in the Freshers Week and Hannah was standing at the stands and I thought I might as well just do some volunteering and also boost my CV while I'm at it. So here I am now, doing ambassador work.
I was also seeing it at Freshers. I was going around, I saw it, I thought I'd go have a look. Hannah explained to me what it is and I seemed really interested. She told me what you do, what you can help different people, and I really wanted to give it a go and I'm really enjoying it as it goes along.
So from doing ambassador work and volunteering, I've gained so much of my confidence and gained so many more skills that I can use in the future. I've also boosted my CV, which is very useful when applying for uni or for jobs, considering that I've done work, but it's showing that I do care about something and I'm passionate.
I've also gained my confidence a lot as I wouldn't really be able to speak in front of crowds, and from doing this programme it's helped me do my confidence, help other people, and I like seeing them grow and learn new skills. It's helped me with my Welsh because I'm only bilingual, so by doing it it's helping me improve that and it's making me feel like a better person by helping other people.
From doing these volunteering works as an ambassador, I've gained many experiences in many places, such as coaching mixed ability children in different ages.
We've gone to loads of different conferences which has helped with our confidence in loads of different places like Cumbria, different colleges, different schools, etc.
We've done courses for like mental health as well, and there's many other courses to do, and being part of the programme allows you to take part in them, as some of them you have to pay for, which is fine, but some of them are provided by the programme, which is good.
We've been doing rugby engagements for RGC, going before and helping with coaching children, and then helping during the game, being ball girls, which has been a really good experience for us because we enjoy that and we get to meet new people, which we enjoy.
So yeah, we've basically got new connections now from all over, which
to help us in the future.
Yeah, exactly. Good. Within the programme, you don't really need to have like a sport that you're really passionate about.
Or a skill.
Or a skill. You could literally just do it because you want to do it, and it doesn't even matter what course you're doing, because I'm doing a science-based course and I'm still doing this, and it's quite sport-based, but you don't need to be sporty or athletic.
Like there's people in hairdressing, they join in, they do our hair for rugby games, so they help music, they do music for videos with the editing and all of that. That you do, any course you do, you'll be able to do it and it'll help you and you'll hopefully enjoy it and want to do it and take part.
Exactly.
So for the recruitment in college, there's a lot of things you can do. So the main one is go and see Hannah in Learner Services and she can speak to you about it if you want to join the programme.
Yeah, there's also social media, because I'm pretty sure you have social media, and you can just contact her on Instagram, Twitter, or you can even contact me or Harriet, and we'll just send the message to Hannah.
To contact Hannah though, it's at GLLM Rugby.
Rugby spelt Welsh.
Yes, so Instagram or Twitter, you'll find her on that. You just give her a message, very friendly, we'll be able to talk to you about anything and help you.
Or you can find her on the college website, she's got her own little page there.
Yeah.
And just contact her through that.
And I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Yeah,
definitely give it a go.
If we can, you can too.
Exactly.